For a recent trade show we did, we found it necessary to build a demonstration of just how great the Ultrabase system panels drain. Here you can see we created a water system that saturated the turf that was sitting on top of the panels and really demonstrated the amount of water that would flow through the turf and through the panels out to the collection bins. Here the water is penetrating down through the turf and running directly into the panel top and then ultimately out of the perimeter of the panel. Once the water is turned off, you can see how quickly the turf becomes almost dry to the touch. And when pulled back, you can easily see that the water is percolating through the turf and is migrating down through the multiple drain holes on the top of the panel system. After a few seconds, the turf is dry and can resume play. Now what we did on this demonstration was we actually attached the Ultrabase system panel to a sub panel, and that would force the water to only migrate out through the drain holes that are on the outer perimeter edge of the panels. You can see here the water is flowing very rapidly through all of these drain slots. If this had been an impermeable geotextile fabric, that's how it would work. But if you had a permeable geotextile fabric over top of an earth base, not only would you have water penetrating through the permeable geotextile into the ground, but out through all the exit points of the panel. You can see just how rapidly the water moves out from under the panels and would basically move from panel to panel out to the perimeter edge. You can see by this demonstration just how effectively the Ultrabase system panels will drain under the worst weather conditions.